I am safe in my own presence. You are healing, my dear. You are doing it beautifully, moment by moment, breath by breath, choice by choice. Even if no one else sees it yet, life does. Life is always watching, always responding to your willingness. And your willingness, your tender, courageous willingness to love yourself through it all, is enough. Keep trusting the process. Keep moving forward. And remember, as I've always said, you are safe, you are loved, and all is well in your world. It's in trust. You stop trying to control everything and start allowing life to unfold. That is the essence of peace. You start to believe that perhaps, just perhaps, life knows what it's doing. You realize that the same force that makes the sun rise, that turns the tides, that makes the flowers bloom, that same intelligence is guiding you too. I've said it many times. Everything I need to know is revealed to me at the right time, and it always is. The challenge is not that life withholds answers, it's that we try to demand them before we're ready. You see, control is the child of fear. We try to control because we don't trust that life will catch us if we fall. But when you begin to heal, you realize that life has caught you again and again. Every heartbreak that didn't destroy you, every disappointment that turned into wisdom, every closed door that led to something better. These are all reminders that you were never abandoned. There's a freedom that comes when you begin to trust the timing of your own life. You stop comparing your path to anyone else's. You stop asking, "Why isn't it happening yet?" And start saying, "If it's meant for me, it will come when I am ready." My dear, the river doesn't rush to reach the